Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize YouTube chapter editing via bulk upload workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize YouTube chapter editing via bulk upload workflow, start by signing into your YouTube account. Navigate to YouTube Studio from the main menu. On the left sidebar, click on Content to view your uploaded videos. Select the video for which you want to enable chapter editing. In the video details page, scroll down to the description section. Here, you will need to format your timestamps for chapters. Ensure the timestamps follow the format of hours, minutes, and seconds, followed by the chapter title. For example, Midnight Intro or 1:30 Chapter 1. After adding your timestamps, to use the bulk upload workflow, prepare a CSV file with all relevant video information. Include columns for video IDs, titles, and chapter timestamps for each video. Once the CSV file is ready, return to YouTube Studio. In the sidebar, go to Videos and select Bulk Actions. Choose the option to upload the CSV file. YouTube will process the information and update your videos accordingly. Once the process is complete, check each video to ensure that the chapters are displayed correctly. If any issues arise, revisit the CSV file to correct formatting errors. Finally, confirm that your chapters enhance viewer navigation and engagement. This completes the authorization of YouTube chapter editing via bulk upload workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.